I know one thing for sure. I've never been so close before. You were truly my love, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover. Oh no, it was never built to last.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vikram Singh. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Vlogs. So what's gonna be on this channel? This channel is all about lifestyle, travel, fashion and vlogs. Come and join me on this journey. Now taking a step further and starting a new journey with you all is really exciting for me. As we all know, we are always one step behind with a totally different lifestyle plus perks of making new friends like you all.
As they say, life is better in flip-flops. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So let's take a step together to learn and enjoy, because sometimes you just need to do it.